How's everybody doing today? Got a short video today on what's going on with maintenance and pay. It's just getting really hard to find maintenance guys anymore, or to even keep the maintenance guys. I was doing a work order on Friday, and I walked in there. The lady was upset. She said, "You know what's going on? I put this work order a week ago, and nobody showed up." Tell her, "Ma'am, I'm sorry. I'm the only one here. We've got about 172 units at my complex. I'm the only one there. There used to be two of us. Then all the maintenance guys from most of the companies quit, so they took my helper. I'm the only one there, and he's the only one where he's at. He's got over 100 units too, and the other complex has got over 100 units, and they only have one guy. And they're offering us money to find maintenance guys. I wouldn't take anybody to the company I'm at. Not anybody I like. I wouldn't take anybody. But the thing is, she asked me, so what's going on? Don't maintenance guys want to work anymore? It got me thinking, and I tell her, it's not that they don't want to work. It's that they're all going to the trades. There's more money in the trades. Why would anybody stick around doing maintenance work? You know, because we do a whole bunch of trades. We're not specialists at any trade. But we have to be good enough at all trades, or most trades. We have to know HVAC, we have to know plumbing, we have to know electrical, we have to know painting, we have to know sheetrock. The list goes on and on, landscaping and all kinds of stuff. So I tell her, no, it's not that they don't want to work, it's just that there's no incentive to stay. There's no incentive at all to stay doing maintenance. Now, when you go apply at a maintenance job, first thing they're going to ask you is, without a doubt, is, are you HVAC certified? Are you pretty good with air conditioners? Can you change a compressor? Can you do this? Can you do that? How are you with electrical? Are you good? Can you troubleshoot electricity? How are you with plumbing? They expect all this, and then they're offering you $17 an hour. In Arizona, minimum wage is $12.50. I think it's $12.50. So they're offering you just a little bit over minimum wage, and you got to have all these trades and all this experience and all these tools for $17 an hour. It's no wonder nobody wants to do this anymore. And you know, I keep on making these videos trying to, you know, teach people this trade, or as much as I can, what I know. But at the same time, I'm thinking, why would anybody even come do this? I mean, it's not a bad trade. It's a good trade. It's just not where the money's at anymore, or probably ever. This is a really, really underpaid trade for the amount of stuff we do and what they expect us to know. They just don't want to pay, and that's what's happening now is everywhere in the country there's a maintenance tech shortage. You know, if we know how to fix a refrigerator, a stove, a dishwasher, and all this, why don't we just go to work at an appliance repair shop, or you know, appliance repair? If you're doing HVAC, why not go do HVAC if you can make more money? Of course, with the experience we have, we're not the best HVAC guys. We would only be like starting off as an apprentice maybe, but we're experienced enough to where we would make more money even as an apprentice at one of the trades than to stay in the trade, the maintenance trade. So I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Rents are going up. It's not that there's no money in this business. Rents are going up like crazy everywhere. The whole country rents are just skyrocketing. But they don't see, you know, the either the companies or the owners of the buildings. They don't see the point in paying maintenance guys more, even though they're charging a lot more. I mean, the rents in the last year have gone really, really high. Our rates have stayed really low. Then plus, we're expected to do on-call, which I understand. You know, it's gotta happen. Somebody's got to do it. It's part of this trade. They just don't want to pay. There's no incentives to do it. This company I'm at, they told me that they pay you the first call. They pay you 2-hour minimum. So if it's an hour and a half call, you know, they'll pay you 2 hours. If it's a 20-minute call, they'll still pay you 2 hours. That's just the first call. After that, they're just gonna pay me whatever time I'm on the property. So if I go out to the property, I gotta drive across town, and I gotta just unclog a toilet for 15 minutes. That's how I'm getting paid, is 15 minutes. That's not an incentive. I mean, I don't want to do it. That's it. I just don't want to do on-call anymore because, I got a 3/4 ton truck full of tools. It's gonna, whatever I make in 15 minutes, I'm not even gonna cover my gas cost, my time. So I don't know what's going on. It's really hard to find maintenance guys. They're trying to give us money to bring people over to the company. I wouldn't invite anybody to come over. I don't think it's worth it right now. I think the pay is lower than the trades, and we're required to do the on-call. Now, this is something that's been going on with most of the companies that I know. They're getting really picky on ordering materials. They want to have a list. The regionals got to check it. Everybody's got to check it. And, I mean, when everybody's got to look at a list, by that time, you already have another list going on. There's things breaking down every minute. So it's getting really hard to buy materials, get materials, order materials. But the rents are going up. People are making a lot of money in this business. But the guys that are doing the work are not. That's just the way it is right now. Anyways, if you guys have any ideas or any experiences in other parts of the country that this is happening, let me know. Let me know if you guys found a solution to any of these problems. Of course, the solution is paying guys more money. That's not happening right now. I mean, they're just going to push us. They're pushing me over 100 units for one guy. That's just pushing it. 172 units, that's way too much. Tenants are mad. It got over 100 Friday. And once it's over 100, all the AC start going out and people start noticing, low on Freon and all this. So of course I've been up on roofs. I don't have time to go look at little drips or little one light bulb out or a vanity light or none of that. So tenants are mad now when I walk into people's apartments. They're upset. I understand, they're paying the rent. It's not their fault. But it just makes it more complicated for us maintenance guys to try to do a good service without help, Anyways, I'll leave you guys with that. If you're a maintenance tech, let me know what you guys are thinking, what you guys are going through. And, you guys have a great weekend.